Hi, to take RAW photos on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open your camera first, and now in photo mode, tap on 4 dots icon, and then choose settings. After that, scroll a bit down and go in advanced picture options. Choose promote picture format, and now you can switch from JPEG format to RAW format, just by tapping it like that, according to your preferences. Now simply go back, and the next thing you can do is from photo mode switch to more and select Pro. And now you'll see the word RAW highlights orange in the upper right corner, and you can take your RAW format photos. And if you need more control, then let's go back in More tab. Here you can check out the Expert RAW mode right here by tapping it. But we need to install it, as you can see, and also make sure you have enough free space on your device, as RAW files take up more space than regular photos. And yeah, that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.